Hey there, guys. My name is Parker here, and today I'm going to show you how to get free maps on the Minecraft Marketplace. So what you want to do is click on the Marketplace here. As you can see here, there's a Marketplace 5-year celebration that's going on, but we will check that out in the next video, but not now, not today. So scroll down, and go to education right here. There you go, free maps. There's a bunch of stuff for you that can do. There's a bunch of stuff that's for free that you can do or play with some of your friends. They also come with skins as well. This one French one you can describe. It's by a lifeboat. It looks really cool too. I like it. Alright. If you go to search button, click on the filters, click on my points, click on free. There you go. That's how you get all the free stuff. There's a bunch of stuff that's for free. It's the same thing, but there's different maps you can get for free. Adventure maps like Great Danger by Shapescape, that is free too. And then, yeah, that's all, I guess. So, number 1. Okay, so the first free map here is Terra Swoop Force by NOS Crew. And it says, GDL has assembled an elite task force for a top secret high-risk mission. Step into the thermal flight armor. It's time to begin the flight of your life. Your journey to the center is just the beginning of the adventure. Search GDL in the Minecraft Marketplace to experience more of the story. Single player and multiplayer. Free download from NOS Crew. And the challenge is an action and an elytra challenge. It's up to 99 people. The tags are fantasy, fun, science fiction, casual, underground, story, replay value, and fight. And oh my goodness. The teaser for this pack looks really good. It looks like you just fly through dinosaurs, get all the obsidian, explosions, crash, going through nether. It's basically just traveling. So the community ratings, it's about like 4.3 star rating. It's really good. So I like it. Alright, the next map we have is Seaside Story by Game Mode 1. And it says, live out your own peaceful ocean adventure. Go fishing and discover amazing creatures in brand new ocean biomes. Customize your boat, upgrade the island, and fill the aquarium with the fish you catch. Full of secrets to discover, friends to make, and ecosystems to clean. It's time to start your Seaside Story. Types of exploration, ocean, fishing, relaxation, and capitalism. Genres of role-playing game and immersive simulator. Players of single-player and multiplayer. It's up to 1 to 4 people. And oh my goodness. And look at this. So it looks like you arrived over here, the end of the boat. You get to go underwater. You get to catch some fish. And yeah, you just keep going. Go to the aquarium, and you just fish. That's all. And this rating is about 4.4 star rating, which is really good. So I like it. All right, number 3. Here comes number 3. The third map is going to be called Marketplace Creator Tycoon by Jagarbov Productions. It's 35 skins and 1 world. And it's a 4.7 star rating. And it says, do you have what it takes to become a successful Marketplace Creator Tycoon? Find out in this new free Tycoon world from Jagarbov Productions. Play alone or with friends as you find inspiration. Create existing offers and grow your team. Just keep those good reviews coming in, or your business will go bust. Customize your office. Feel the thrill of content review. It's a simulation in Tycoon. It's up to 22 people to play this. And oh my goodness. Okay, so in this map, you just become a marketplace creator. Try to fill the computers as long as you can. You see the microphones popping up. This is where you get updates. This is like a secret area. And this is where you can collect some genres. And yeah, you just explore. So there's 35 skins here. So also there's a free skin pack tool. Too. There's a lot of characters in this, so that's really cool. Alright. The next map we have is Minecraft Emerald Tycoon by Razzleberries. It's 2 skins again and 1 world. It says you arrived at an old how do you say it? Derelict village, and now you must bring it back to life with the power of emeralds and with help from the local workers. Generate, mine, and collect as many emeralds as you can. Upgrade emerald generators. Survive the mob arenas. Rebuild the village. Classic Tycoon game. unlock zones, mounts, and special items. And oh my goodness, the trailer for this pack looks really good. I like it a lot. So yeah, we walk up to the chest. Emeralds will start popping up, and you get emeralds every time we upgrade. You'll get more emeralds. For this emerald chest, looks really cool. You get to fight about a lot of mobs. You get to collect some bananas and jungle. And you get to just buy whatever you want from emeralds. So 2 skins. We have a boy and a girl. The boy's name's Tony, and the girl's name is Trinity. Alright. 2 more to go. The next one we have is Spellcraft by Game Mode 1 once again. And this is part of the 5-year celebration. It says premiering the brand new scripting API for Bedrock. Combine runes to craft powerful elemental spells with over 20,000 unique spell combinations. Enter magical rifts and defeat waves of huge enemies. Battle toxic goals, giant frost fires, spell casting arcanists, and much more. Level up your abilities and defeat harder challenges as you become more powerful. And oh my goodness, this looks really good. I like it a lot. And look, you see skeletons there. You just upgrade. That's what you have to do. And this is a 4.7 star rating, which is really good. Alright, here comes the last map. The last map we have is Crab Cove Carnival by Rasa Studios, or RASA Studios. It says, the carnival has come to Crab Cove. Dive through hoops, whack-moles, pop balloons, or grab crabs. The carnival is full of assignment. Play alone with friends in the games. Exchange your tickets at the gift shop. The fireworks show. 4 headline games, 7 mini games, unlockable gifts and gizmos, 6 custom skins by Rasa Studios. And oh my goodness. The trailer for this pack looks so good. It looks good. I like it. Look at this. Crab Cove Carnival, Flip Dive. So you get to play some of the headline mini games. Again, when you go on the wacky pad, mobs are going to shot out cannons. You can see this preview of it, and this is what the whack-a-mole looks like. This is what the target practice looks like, and this is what the crab catches looks like. And also, there's like 6 skins in total. We have Isa, Evan, Harrison, Caden, Poppy, and Sophie. And it is a 4.6 star rating. And well, guys, that has been it for now. That's all the free mounts you can get. Thanks so much for seeing this video. Goodbye!